India stands at an inflection point, brimming with opportunity, confidence, and purpose. In this hour, true leadership is not about sloganeering. It's about conviction, optimism, and action. And yet, in the shadow of this national ascent, the opposition has mastered a different art, framing progress as pretense. In doing so, they position themselves not as alternative leaders but as chronic naysayers. The pattern of prevailing negativity, undermining India's aspirations. When the world applauds New India's economic revival, Rahul Gandhi calls it comatose. A dead economy, Rahul Gandhi echoes.
आपको ये मालूम नहीं है कि इंडियन इकोनॉमी डेड इकोनॉमी है?
Adopting a foreign jibe as if mourning India's growth, it is not critique, it is self-inflicted despair. Mocking India's sovereignty, where India celebrates Make in India as a rebirth of self-reliance, they demean it.
हिंदुस्तान में आप मेड इन इंडिया, मेड इन इंडिया, मेड इन इंडिया की बात करते रहते हो, मेड इन इंडिया हो ही नहीं सकता आज.
Mocking digital India at a time when India is weaving hundreds of millions into its digital ecosystem, the tone-deaf narrative surfaced as P. Chidambaram sneers.
Go to your village fair, buy potatoes and tomatoes and pay 7 rupees 50 paisa by a credit card. What will the poor lady do? Does she have a POS machine there? Is it connected to a electricity source? Is there Wi-Fi there? Is the internet working there?
Denying democratic strength. At times, they deny the very essence of India's republic. Rahul Gandhi proclaims,
the idea that India is a democracy, this is a lie. That India is a democracy, this is a lie.
this is not political debate. It's a performance of pessimism offering no vision, only vices. In a time when the nation seeks direction, ambition, and national pride, their narrative traffics in doubt, theatrics, and division. India doesn't require its leaders to narrate tragedy. It seeks architects of tomorrow. Today, India chooses leaders who build, not bash, who inspire, not invalidate, who believe in the nation's vast promise instead of refusing to acknowledge it. In that choice lies the difference between cynicism and statesmanship.